Welcome to Al Hidayah Public School. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you, my kids? I hope you all are doing well. This is our English video. Now today we are going to learn small letter Z. This small letter Z come after letter Y. Small letter Z. Let's learn few words. We start with letter Z. Small letter Z. Z is for zipper. Z is for zipper. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Now next, Z is for zoo. Z is for zoo. Z is for zoo. Z is for zipper and Z is for zebra. Small letter Z. Small letter Z. Z is for zigzag. Z is for zigzag. Z is for zero. Z is for zero. Z is for zoom. Let's see few more examples that start with letter Z. Z is for zebra crossing. Z is for zebra crossing. Z is for zinnia. Zinnia is a flower. So children, these are the few words which start with letter Z. Small letter Z. Now children, open your LKG semester textbook to page number 46. 46. Small letter Z. Small letter Z. Z is for zoo. Z is for zebra. Z is for zebra. Z is for zip. Z is for zip. Z is for zoo. A zoo is a place where many animals and birds are kept. Right children? Z is for zoo. Z is for zebra. Zebra is a wild animal. It's live in the jungle. Z is for zip. Z is for zip. Now children, one more time. First I will read, then you repeat after me. Z is for zoo. Z is for zebra. Z is for zip. I hope you understood children this small letter Z. Now let's move to the next page. That's page number 4747. Now can you see this? They have given some dotted lines, right? So we have to trace all these dotted lines. Now first keep your pencil at this point and draw a sleeping line like this. Same over here children, like this. See children, this way you have to draw all these lines. Now these are slanting lines. Now we have to draw all these lines also. Keep your pencil at this point. Draw this slanting line like this. Same over here. Do it neatly and properly, my dear kids. Like this. See children, this way you have to trace all these lines. Okay, now this is small letter Z. Small letter Z. Now over here can you see this? They have given so many boxes. In some box there are dotted lines and in some box there are no dotted lines. So we have to write small letter Z. Now in very first box they have given some arrows, right? So we have to follow this. First draw a sleeping line, then a slanting line and then again a sleeping line like this. Z is for zebra. Z is for zip. Z is for zoo. We have to write small letter Z in between blue line here with dot. Z is for zebra crossing. Z is for zigzag. Z is for zucchini. I hope you understood children small letter Z. You have to write small letter Z in between blue lines. Please help your kid to write small letter Z in your child textbook. Okay, so I hope you understood this children small letter Z. Now open notebook. We will practice writing of small letter Z. Now children, open your English notebook. We will practice writing of small letter Z. Small letter Z. You have to write small letter Z 2 times in your English notebook. Now children, can you see this? I have written this first line. So parents, I request you please write first line on your child notebook so that can they easily complete the whole page. You have to write small letter Z in between blue lines. First draw a sleeping line, then a slanting line, then a sleeping line. Small letter Z. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. Z is for zigzag. Z is for zip. Z is for zucchini. Z is for zero. Z is for zebra crossing. I hope you understood, children, how to write small letter Z. You have to write small letter Z in between blue line. Parents, please help your kid to write the small letter Z. See children, this way you have to write small letter Z in your English notebook. You have to write small letter Z 2 times in your English notebook. Parents, please help your kid to write the small letter Z. I hope you understood, children. So over here I am going to end my video. Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.